the unboxing of the physical
something.
the physical Apple Card
Uh,
and see if it's easy to set up or
Need
not.
screws.
No, I don't think we need screws. I don't think it's that kind of unboxing. Okay, let's see. Alright, so that's all that was in that cardboard. This.
It's just an apple. Whoa.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's white though. I better wish that it was rainbow.
Oh, that's nice. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's pretty nice.
It's a MasterCard.
It is backed by MasterCard and Goldman Sachs.
Daddy's talking in his England voice.
No.
You were for a second.
Okay. So, all right. So it says activate your card, open wallet app, and follow instructions. Wallet. Okay. Open wallet app and follow instructions. Well, it didn't automatically give me any instructions, but it does say this. Once you go into the Apple Card and okay, activate your card. Hold this phone near the packaging. What? It came with the card? Oh, I think I need to leave this back in there. Okay.
Like you need to set it on it, Daddy.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. There's some.
Is it
Yeah.
hold this iPhone near the packaging that came with the card?
Wait, maybe put it over this. What is it doing? Wait. It says having trouble activating card.
Yeah, I see that, but don't tap that yet.
Why? You're having trouble. Hit it.
Oh no. Okay. I guess we're gonna do this. I need help. It automatically did. That was kind of nice. I can help with that. Let me connect you with the Apple Card specialist at Goldman Sachs.
Who is this guy?
It's probably a computer. Who knows?
That's weird.
Artificial intelligence taking over the world? No? Alright, hello. I will glad to assist you with activating your card. Awesome.
Say awesome then.
No, this is actually not awesome. But it's okay. Once
Look,
we get it activated.
see those little edges? There's the same thing on your like little press thing.
I probably made the mistake of taking the card out of the thing before looking at instructions. But that shouldn't matter. I don't think so.
Blank. Flip
Something.
it over. Yeah. Looks like a rainbow case with the color to it.
Okay, thank you.
See, you can always send something.
Hey, you're covering up the phone.
Sorry, guys.
By the way, physical card aside, before I got the physical card, I started using it just through the wallet app, and it's been phenomenal and super easy to use, and
what did you have to do?
all the stuff advertised, but obviously you have a little hiccup here activating the physical card that you can use just in case someone doesn't take the digital Apple Pay.
Sorry. Really sorry. This Apple thing.
I wonder if while I'm waiting on a response, that's pretty cool that it's in messages, but it's the business chat stuff. That's cool. All right. Anyways, business chat is something you can use if you run your own business.
Yeah, I did.
All right. Tap the link below and scroll down. Can you please move your head? Because this is getting, yeah. Okay. light. Oh, now it's ready apparently. Your card is ready to be activated. Activate your card. Maybe that's actually a security issue? And they make it where allow wallet to also access your location even when you are not using the app. Your location is used to show relevant passes, set up Apple Pay, and improve. Yeah. Okay, your card is ready.
Done.
Done. Sweet.
So I guess we can take it out of the case and put it in your wallet.
Yeah.
Now that it's stuck in your phone.
Okay. Whatever you did worked. Thank you. If you want, you can take it out just carefully.
Dad, if you ever had...
That's pretty cool. There you go. Oh. There, don't bend it as much. Don't bend the packaging as much. There we go.
That's cool. It says your name on
You're
it.
very welcome. Is there anything else? Nope. No. Thanks. All set.
It's metal.
Okay, we exit out of that, and it's all set up. So that's how you activate. Oh, that's pretty. That feels pretty nice.
And
Man, 'cause
it's metal, guys.
It's apparently made out of pure metal. So the card feels nice. It doesn't bend like credit cards.
Yeah.
And obviously you can see there's no numbers on the card.
No.
There's still a strip here to be swiped if it needs, but obviously most of the things these days now will be with chip. And then most of the time,
If you really want to swipe, then you can swipe.
Yeah, okay. But otherwise, most of the places I go to these days actually just takes Apple Pay through the wallet app, which gets you more rewards, but worst case, now you got this. All right, cool. That's unboxing the physical Apple Card.
And we'll be back to unbox something new later.